Welding thin tubes?
You think welding checkered plate is easy? Ha! Let's just tack it first. Then clean it like cleaning bad memories. Now here's the first method. Weld, and boom. A big ol' hole. Great if you want to start a barbecue, not so much for structure. So let's switch it up. Grab your pen, not to write poems, but to weld better. Trust me, it's magic. And this is the chosen rod. Not Excalibur, but close enough. Time for technique 2. Steady, slow, not too hot, not too fast. Like cooking noodles, not welding chaos. Look at this. Left side, disaster. Right side, art. The difference? Just knowing what you're doing.